How to send disappearing photos on Telegram on an iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send disappearing photos on Telegram on an iPhone. First, open a chat in Telegram. You may also tap the compose icon from the top and choose a contact. Now tap the name at the top and select More. Then tap Start Secret Chat and select Start. Next, tap the tiny stopwatch icon and choose the desired time. Here, write and send the message. After the set time, the messages will automatically disappear from both your and your friends' phones. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.